Thank you, Jazwares, for sending me all these toys. It's Bulbasaur! It's Squirtle! I think I want to put in this one is Eevee. Woohoo! Now, ho, ho, ho! Welcome to Kaven Adventures. Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of Kaven Adventures. I am the perfect calendar for any Pokemon fan. Oh, let's open it! Guys, I like the back because it has all the figurines. Oh, there's 4 Pokemon. Charizard, Charmander, Squirtle, Bulbasaur, and Pikachu. And he's wearing a Santa hat. Let's go open it. I'm gonna start with number 1. It's Eevee! Eevee, 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 Eevee. Now for number 2. It's Meow! Meow, 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 meow. Time for number 3. Oh, where's number 3? I think number 3 is right here. It's the Christmas tree! Tree. Now for number 4. Where's number 4? Yeah, right there. It's Piplup! He's so cute. Piplup. Now for number 5. It's a big Christmas tree. We got the top and we match it to the bottom piece. And it was half a tree. Now it's number 6. Where's number 6? Right here. I think you need a... It's Cubone! And why does he have a helmet on? It's Cubone. He's Cubone. Ba-boom! 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 My bone! I'm gonna eat my bone. Okay, now 7. What's 7? What's 7? 7. What are you? What's 7? 7 right there. We got it's Growlithe. Growl, growl, go growl. Growl, growl, go growl. Growl! Number 8. Number 8 is a big one. Another tree. Look, guys, our tree's complete. Ta-da! Big Christmas tree, more big Christmas tree, big Christmas tree, done. 9 is a small one. It's Ice Ball Picks. Number 10. Number 10, I can't find it. Number 10 is so small, the number. The ornament. What? A present! I'm gonna put it on the front of the tree. Oh, Christmas tree is getting better. Yeah. What's number 11? Oh, right there. Number 11 is a huge number. That's my favorite. It's Ditto. And he can transform to stuff. Ditto. He's my favorite Pokemon. Let's open number 12. He's right here, it's on the bottom. So on the bottom. Ooh. It's Enpaw, and he's my favorite too. It's in Detective Pikachu, and he got infected. He has a hand on his tail. Now let's open 13. Right here. Oh. Wait. Another present. It's a present. Now I'm gonna put it. Wait. It's a present, and now I'm going to put it right here. Let's open 15. I know it's going to be. I can't get it. It's Mimichu. I'm gonna get him out. Mimichu. And it's hypnotized. 15's very big. Munchwax. We got Munchwax. Did you hear that? Boink. Munchwax. And listen, when Snowwax turns into this. Oh, 16. What's 16? Why is 16 so small? It's another one. It's another person. I'm going to put it right here in the back. Okay, now we need to put... Okay, now... 17! And you know, I'm wearing a Pokemon hat because it's Pokemon. 17. It's Stuffy. And I don't know if Jigglypuff moves into this. I don't know. He's not my favorite Pokemon. It's pink, and the foot is my favorite color. 18. Jigglypuff. Jigglypuff. I just fell asleep. Jigglypuff, Yumi. This is my favorite Pokemon, but pink. Oh well. Let's open 19. What's these? It's a sword for Bulbasaur! It's a sword like Santa's. And Bob, do you know who my house name is? Bob. I think I want to put in the sword is Eevee. Woohoo! Now, ho ho ho! You better watch out. You better not cry the Santa Claus. It's Bulbasaur! Bulbasaur. She's my favorite Pokemon. I want to put... I've changed my mind. I want to put Bulbasaur in the toilet. Then why not change my mind? Okay, I'll put it. 21. Squirtle. Psh, psh. I'm gonna put Squirtle right here. I think I want to put him on the Christmas tree. Oh, right there. Perfect. He's on the Christmas tree. I think I'm gonna open is 22, I think. Yeah. It's Charmander. Charmander, cha. Psh, psh. He's on the Christmas tree. It's Snow Pikachu. I can't say. It's a Snow Pikachu. I'm gonna melt. And melted. I've been timed. The very last one, 24. It's Pikachu! Pikachu! These are the figures I got in the calendar. Hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you again, more Kaven Adventures. Bye!